Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How Logical. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your account on AppogeeHR. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in AppogeeHR login. And as the search result, in the first option you can see sign in to AppogeeHR. Click on the link. It will take you to the login portal of AppogeeHR. And over here, enter the email address of your account. Once you do that, in the password box, enter your password. To confirm your password, you can click here on the eye icon. Also, you guys can sign in to AppogeeHR with Google, Microsoft or Xero by clicking on these respective buttons. And once you do that, click on sign in to AppogeeHR. You will be signed into your account. And in case if you guys forgot your password, click here forgot your password to recover it. This much for this video. This is how you can sign in to AppogeeHR. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.